Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you today? I hope that you are fine. Now, we will discuss about cell, the organelle of cell. Let's start. A cell is defined as the smallest basic unit of life that is responsible for all life's process. Cells are the structure, functional, and biological unit of all living beings. There are two types of cell. The first type is prokaryotic. Prokaryotic have no nucleus. The example of prokaryotic is bacteria. And then the second type of cell is eukaryotic. Eukaryotic have nucleus. The example is human or plant. For this material, we will discuss about the organelle cell of animal cell and plant cell. This is a picture of a plant cell and an animal cell. We can see there are many organelles in the cell. Body cell look more rigid because they have cell wall. If we observe a plant cell directly under a microscope, it will look like this. This is an example of a plant cell. Namely, the cell is onion. Here we cannot see all the organelles. We can only see the nucleus, cytoplasma, and cell wall. Inside the cytoplasma are many organelles. Next is the animal cell. Here we use the example of human cheek cell. The methylene blue solution has been dropped on the cell so that it's turned blue color. In this cell, we can see the cell nucleus and then cytoplasma and also the cell membrane. There is no cell wall in animal cell. You must remember it. Okay, next we will study the organelle in the cell. In the first organelle is nucleus. Nucleus contains DNA of the cell and we can call brain of cell. Inside nucleus we can see nucleolus. Nucleolus inner part of nucleus that produce ribosome. Next, we will study about lysosome. Lysosome use enzyme to break down all organelles and macromolecule. We can call garbage disposal of the cell. You must remember that only animal cells have lysosome. And next, endoplasmic reticulum. There are two types of endoplasmic reticulum. The first type is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. The function is lipid production and detoxification. And the second is rogue endoplasmic reticulum. The function of rogue endoplasmic reticulum is production of protein. Why we call a rogue endoplasmic reticulum? Because there are ribosome stick in endoplasmic reticulum. Next is cell wall and membrane cell. Okay, from the outside there are cell wall and inside there are membrane cell. The function of cell wall give a plant cell extra stability and structure. And then the function of cell membrane to control what comes and goes out of the cell. Next is mitochondria. The function of mitochondria is makes ATP or energy. We can call mitochondria powerhouse of the cell. And next is Golgi complex. Golgi complex, or we can call apparatus Golgi. The function is modify, sort, and zip protein and lipid, or we can call post office of the cell. And then chloroplast. Do you remember what chloroplast? The function of chloroplast is help in the process photosynthesis. You must remember Just plant cell have chloroplast. Next is peroxisome. Peroxisome produce the enzyme catalase. The catalase enzyme convert hydrogen peroxide into water and oxygen. And then vacuola, the function is save water, salt, and carbohydrate. Just plant cell have a big vacuola. I think enough for today. See you next time and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.